Jody Santamaria, napahanga sa Amazon at sinubukan pang kumain ng larva, tastes like ham. Nagbahagi si Jody Santamaria ng isang makabuluhang karanasan mula sa kanyang pagbisita sa Amazon rainforest, kung saan hindi lamang siya namangha sa ganda at lawak ng kalikasan, kundi naging bukas din sa pagsubok ng kakaibang pagkain. Sa kanyang social media post, ibinahagi ni Jody ang ilang mahahalagang impormasyon tungkol sa Amazon, na kilala bilang lungs of the earth, dahil sa napakalawak nitong kagubatan na sumasaklaw sa humigit kumulang 7 milyong square kilometers sa 9 na bansa. Tahanan din ito ng halos 10% ng lahat ng kilalang species sa mundo at ng pinakamalaking river system batay sa dami ng tubig. Ayon sa aktres, ang pagtapak niya sa puso ng Amazon ay nagdulot sa kanya ng halo-halong emosyon. Standing in the heart of the Amazon, I couldn't help but feel a mix of awe, wonder, fear, and amazement. It made me realize that feeling small doesn't mean insignificant. We are part of something far greater than ourselves. Ibinahagi rin niya ang kanyang pagninilay tungkol sa koneksyon ng lahat ng nilalang at ng tao sa kalikasan. Everything is connected. Every tree depends on the soil. Every river nourishes the forest. Every creature has a role, even if it is easy to overlook, and maybe we are no different. We flourish not in isolation but with everything we nurture, our relationship with nature, with one another, with ourselves, and ultimately with God. Bukod sa inspirasyonal na mensahe, napansin din ng kanyang followers ang isa sa mga larawan kung saan makikitang sinubukan ni Jody ang pagkain ng weevil larva.
As in the inside is gonna be food for these type of larvas. So after you decapitate the thing, like this, and then it's gonna be wiggling a little bit, and then you just like try it, and it's actually sweet. You may be thinking that, no, it is not. It's very juicy. The skin is like pork.
Tastes like ham.
It actually.
We're gonna harvest some ingredients that we'll be needing for our ceviche cooking class.
Son los rojos o los verdes?
Is misbehaving, and if it's a little fish, they are going to be.
I like it.
Thank you, my assistant.
Thank you.